guys, how's it going? It's Amanda. Hope you guys are all doing well. I just want to say that something happened and my camera was crooked and I missed it, and yeah, sorry about that, guys. So moving along, let's talk about the iPhone 12. I love this new iPhone, but there's a thing that we need to talk about, and it's this small package. If you see the one on the left, this is the new iPhone, and the old one is the right iPhone. If you haven't got your iPhone yet, or you're still waiting on yours to arrive, this no longer ships with an iPhone brick. I'm sure some of you have heard, but if you're not a techie, you don't know this. And now they don't have headphones, which we'll do another video for that, but they also don't have a charging brick. And that's okay for most of us because a lot of us have USB chargers around the house, so we have the bricks for them. But if you do not, this is not your standard USB lightning cable. This is a USB-C to lightning cable, and if I can kind of get it out of here, get it to focus. But this is much smaller, so it doesn't fit in a standard USB charging brick. So there's some good and bad to that. And that's where this comes in. This is the new iPhone fast charging essentials from Anker. And what we have in here is a charging brick that will charge this so much faster than the old ones that, yeah, you do have to pay for it. It's not included. And that part sucks. But if you were wanting fast charging, you were going to have to buy this additionally anyways if Apple wasn't going to give it to us. And we know Apple's not in the habit of doing that. So here's the information in the package I was sent. This is a media kit. I'm not being paid, but these devices do not all come together. So on this sheet, it's covering the PowerPort 3, the Powerline 3, and it shows you can charge iPads, AirPods, MacBooks, watches, anything basically that's USB-C. And then this one is for the new Nano Charger. I'm going to show you that here next. It charges 3 times faster than the one Apple would have sent with it. The regular USB one is a 5 watt and it would have gave you 17% in 30 minutes, where the new one will give you 53% charge in the same amount of time in 30 minutes. So it's much faster charger. So here is the kit that they sent over, and you can't buy this. And as far as I know, they're not going to sell this as a kit. But here are all the different things and options that they have. Now this is like $16. This is their new Nano Charger, and it's a 20 watt charger. Let's peel this off here. And it's very small and compact, and it's the basically exact same size as the iPhone charger would have been at 5 watts. So you're taking up the same amount of space in your bag or in your drawer, but you're getting so much faster. In fact, it'll charge the iPad Pro because it's actually faster than this iPad Pro one on the right side, not size. The size is so much different, but it's actually a faster charger. And if you have an iPad Pro, you already have one of those chargers, but if not, this will charge both of those. Now this is their larger one, and this little piece of paper is not wanting to come off here. Let's see if we can get it out. So here is the Powerline 3 charger, and this will charge 2 of your devices, and this is even better. This is a 60 watt charger. I think that's total, so I think you can only get 60 out of one at a time, but you could do 30 and 30 on 2 of them if you had devices that would pull that much. So here is some of the specs if you want to pause it and check all those out. It does have flip down prongs, which is really nice for traveling. And this does actually slide out. You can see the little kind of bumps there, gives you a little bit of grip, and you can slide this off, and there's also an included adapter, but I'm not sure what country this is for. If you know, leave it down in the comments below. But this one does not have folding prongs. That's what you get. Now, I know they do have many options online for different countries, so check that out as well. I'm honestly not sure the price because I wasn't able to find it on Amazon, so maybe it's sold out or coming soon. Some of the things are this new lightning to USB-C braided cable that they have. You can see it's got these really reflective metallic ends here. It's very nice quality, and this is a very long one. I'd have to check the length. I haven't even unraveled it yet, so maybe it's a 6 feet, but I'll have it linked down below where you guys can check. And then here you can see this one's made out of rubber, and you can see the Anker branding on it, but this is just a USB-C to USB-C, so we've got you covered there. So no matter your charging needs, Anker has got you guys covered. Again, this is not sponsored, but if you look into any kind of charging or bricks or battery banks, they are one of the top ranked companies. They're well known and trusted. So I definitely suggest you guys checking these out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.